Alright folks, we got a tag sale starting on Friday at 9 a.m. We got all kind of good stuff here. Got a bunch of tools, got a whole bunch of hardware down in there, mops, post hole diggers. We got this our clearance rack, clearance aisle. Got 3 items for 10 bucks, any 3, pick them up. You can pick up a stereo for $3.30, pots, pans, just stuff we hadn't gotten. Got another aisle down there, not quite as full. Got a little bit over there. These sides here are full up. I mean, full up. Give you an idea on this. I walk down this side. There's a talking Elmo there. See him. Crossword puzzles. Whole bunch of books. Whole bunch of books. Got all books, $3. You buy more, we'll give you a deal. Got some albums, stuff like that, just some knick-knack stuff, cassettes. It's just this aisle here. We got some tennis rackets and balls, got the whole deal. Got some dolls. Dolls, not the right price on those dolls. We need to take that down. Coming on down there. All right, this is all the bric-a-brac stuff we got left. Got some teddy bears, some stuffed animals, got some purses, bunch of throw pillows, 3 boxes of picture frames. Check out this rug. It's a 12 by 9.5 Persian. And we got a nice ping pong table fold out. We got a exercise bike. Got some little bit of stuff. Got a pressure washer over there. Got some kids' bikes, some nice chairs. We got some ladies' clothes over there. Bunch of bicycles. Right there. Some ladders, got a nice couch. Bunch more throw pillows, got some pictures. Pictures are getting kind of low, but don't worry, they'll come back. And we got more books over here. And we got just some bric-a-brac stuff here. So just trying to get cleared out. Got some restaurant equipment over there. We got a grizzly table saw, a dovetail jig, air compressor, sewer cleaner. We got a drill press and a joiner. We got some more stuff up here. There's some birdhouses up front. That's a cornhole set right there. Another picture, some mid-city modern there. Got a nice sleigh bed in the middle, make a deal on that. We got a great table right here with 6 chairs. Make a deal on it. Got some little tykes. Got a nice hat rack with a hat on it. Don't use your head as a hat rack. Got some bottles there. Bottles over there. Got a box full of baseballs. And here's all the good stuff coming through. We've got prices marked. Prices only suggestive. We'll definitely deal with it. Got some Gail Pittman there. Got a little set of it. Got a little more bric-a-brac stuff. Cake topper. Got some nice crystal there. Come back down this way. Got a bunch of copper pots. Those are cookable. They've been re-tinned. Got some Christmas dishes. Some more stuff. Look at that. Got a lodge grill cookout. Y'all come on by. We got some stuff up front here. Come on by Mississippi Pickers Antique Mall and Consignment Store, 1124 Adams Street. Give us a holler by. See if you can't find something you can't live without. Thank you, and we'll see y'all tomorrow, 9 to 5 Friday and 9 to 5 Saturday, or till the rain starts and it doesn't, nobody's coming in. We will close at that point, but you can give us a call there and we'll come on meet you back open. Thank you.